Everyone say, Mark, Donita, magmahalan kayo. Magmahalan kayo.
I've been from 2 long-distance relationships. And ngayon lang ako talaga yung talagang physical. Dati kasi long-distance kami and then he really tried his best to be here with me in Singapore.
Uy! You are the sunshine that brightens up my life. From that moment, I knew I had to have you in my life.
Mark, as I look back, I could not help but wonder why you never left. Our relationship was never easy. It has been a great journey, babe. And now, here we are. We are finally married.
She led me back to the Lord. Ayun, I thank her for exerting the effort na mag-devotions kami, reflections on the Word of God.
Ano yan? Wow! Uy, may turbang. Let this simple gift remind you that I want to build a good memories with you and our family as long as I live. This is it, babe. Huwag ka na masyadong mag-alala. God is with us and I will be always here for you. I love you, babe.
At di baalala kung gaano ka kaganda. Ipagsisigawan ko sa buong.
Donita, I will always choose to love you. I will always remain with you no matter what life brings. I will do my best to be a better person, a better husband, and a better father to our future children.
This is why the Lord gave you so many blessings. Pinaghintay ka niya because He doesn't really want you to find someone just for companionship in a short time. God really wanted to find someone for you na sasamahan ka habang buhay.
Kinig sa iba, ikaw ang pinakamaganda sa aking mga mata. Di mo kailangan ng kolor.
Ito yung munti kong presence sa inyo. So, follow na lang po yung iba. Pangalagaan ko pa rin po si mama kahit may asawa na po ako. Hindi ko pa siya pababayaan.
Always be a good husband Manahin mo ko ano ang ginawa ni Papa mo sa atin.
Lita, I love you. Ayun lang.
Thank you for giving me a wonderful childhood. Also a family.
Hindi mo ako pinabayaan nung unemployed ako, lalo na nung nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba o hindi. Nandiyan ka lang, yung simpleng nandiyan ka lang, yun na yun. Thankful lang. I will always lean on God in raising our family. And I will stay loyal and faithful to you.
Finally, our time has come. God has prepared us for this moment. We worked so hard to get here, and it only gets better from here.
Kung nakikita mo lang ang nakikita mo, malalaman mo kung gaano.
Congratulations and God bless you.
Kaswerte, kaswerte.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!